Yes, ma'am. Hello, start.
Can you just remind me from where am I supposed to read?
मैं एक सेकंड बुक में उससे बताता हूँ.
Finish the things. We had read this. I repacked once more. We had read this. When I finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I did not care a hang whether the soap was there in or it wasn't. And I slammed the bag shut and strapped it and found that I had packed my tobacco pouch in it and had to reopen it. We have read this. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited, with the exception of George and Harris is the worst packer in the world. We had read this, right? I think we have to read from here. And then from page number 86, they upset salt over everything. And as for the butter, yes, we have to read from here. Because before that we had read, I'll read the lines for you on page number 86 itself. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on the top and smashed the pies in. और सारी की सारी pies दब गई. They upset over the salt, over everything. सब चीजों के ऊपर salt गिर गया. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more the 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. कह रहा कि मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा कि चीजों के ऊपर ऐसे नमक बिखरे हुए. और किसी भी आदमी को मैंने कभी ये नहीं देखा कि 1 या 2 पैसे के बर्तन के लिए ऐसी हरकतें करते हुए. कैसी हरकतें करते हुए? As George had got it off his slipper, अपनी स्लीपर के ऊपर लग गया था. They tried to put it in the kettle. उन्होंने क्या किया? बटर को केटल में डालने की कोशिश की. It would not go in. And what was in would not come out. कह रहा है जो अंदर था वो बाहर नहीं आ सकता था. And what was inside would not come out अगर डाल दिया तो. They did scrap it out. They scrapped out the butter at last and put it down on a chair. उन्होंने चेयर के ऊपर रख दिया. And unfortunately, Harris sat on it. Harris उस चेयर के ऊपर बैठ गया और वो सारा बटर and it stuck to him. और वो सारा बटर उसको चिपक गया. And they went looking for it all over the room. और पूरे रूम में वो उसको ढूंढ रहे थे. I will take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. कह रहा I will take my oath. मैं कसम खाता हूँ कि मैं इसे कुर्सी पर that I put it on that chair. George ने कहा, staring at the empty chair. chair की तरफ देखते हुए. I saw you do it. I saw do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. कह रहे कि मैंने खुद तुझे 1 मिनट पहले यही करते हुए देखा था. that you are doing putting the butter, Harris ने कहा. Then they started round the room again looking for it. और फिर से वो बटर को खोजने लगे. And then they met again in the center and stared at one another. पूरे रूम में घूमने के बाद they came to a center and started looking at one another. Most extraordinary thing. Extraordinary means most unusual thing I ever heard of, said George. बड़ी अजीब जी, so mysterious, said Harris. कह रहा ये तो extraordinary thing थी कि ये बटर गया कहाँ? It is full of mystery. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it. फिर George ने Harris की तरफ चारों तरफ घूमकर देखा and he realized कि वो तो उसकी पीछे जब वो बैठ गया था चेयर पे वहां पे चिपक गया. Why? Here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Indignantly means angrily. कह रहे why here it is all the time. कह रहा क्यों इतनी देर से हम यहाँ वहां ढूंढ रहे हैं. ये तो तेरी बैक पर चिपक गया है because you sat on the chair. Where? cried Harris, spinning around. वो अपने आप को घूम घूम के देख रहा है. हैरिस कहाँ है कहाँ है. Stand still, can't you? roared George. George ने उसके पीछे भागकर देखा और बोला कि खड़ा हो जा टिक कर. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot. वो उसकी बैग से इन्होंने सारा बटर निकाला और टीपॉट के अंदर डाल दिया. Isn't it horrible, उद्वंश? कितना creepy feeling आई हुई होगी. पहले पहले सारा बटर चिपक गया, फिर उन्होंने सोचा कैटल पे लगाएंगे, फिर उन्होंने निकाल के उस बटर को चेयर के ऊपर रखा, फिर वो उस चेयर के ऊपर बैठ गया हैरिस, फिर उसके बैग से निकाल कर उसको कैटल में डाला गया. And that is why he says these lines are really important. Please underline these lines. I will read them on page number 86 itself. I never saw two men do more with 1 or 2 pence worth of butter. कहते 2 अन्ने के बटर के लिए, एक मक्खन के लिए ऐसा करते हुए मैंने कभी भी किसी को नहीं देखा in my whole life than they did. जो उन्होंने किया ऐसा मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा. Mons Mercy was in it all, of course. Mons Mercy is the name of their dog. कह रहा है और Mons Mercy इस पूरे nuisance में involved था. Mons Mercy's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn out. कह रहे Mons Mercy का ambition क्या है life में? हर चीज के बीच में आना and to be abused. Sworn out means to be abused at, और फिर गाली खाना. To be abused at. If he can squirm in anywhere means move in anywhere, कहीं भी move inside कर लेता है, where he particularly is not wanted, जहाँ पे उसकी बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है, and be a perfect nuisance, and wherever he enters he is a perfect nuisance and make people mad, और लोगों को गुस्सा दिलवाता है, and have things thrown at his head, और वो सारी चीजें उसके सर पर गिर जाती हैं. Then he feels his day has not been wasted. तभी उसको मन को शांति चलती है and he realizes that his day has not been wasted. To get somebody to stumble over him, to hit foot against something, कह रहा है ठोकर खाना. Stumble means ठोकर खाना. कह रहा है and to get somebody to stumble over him, जब तक कोई उसके ऊपर गिर नहीं जाता, and curse him, और वो उसको बद्दुआ नहीं देता. He speaks angrily, steadily for an hour. Continuously that person curses him for an hour. Is his highest aim and object. This is the aim of their dog. Please mark this paragraph from Montmorency till unbearable and mention about the dog, so that you know where are the lines of the dog. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object. And when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, और जब Montmorency उनका dog complete कर लेता है, accomplishing means completing his objective, his conceit होता है pride, becomes quite unbearable. वो का बिहेवियर और ज्यादा इंटॉलरेबल हो जाता है, क्योंकि उसका हाईएस्ट एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव है टू गेट इनटू समबडी, टू मेक देम स्टम्बल ओवर हिम, एंड देन दे कर्स हिम स्टेडीली फॉर एन hour. Now further, he came and sat down on things just when they were wanted to be packed. कह रहा है वो चीजों के ऊपर आकर बैठ जाता है जैसे ही हम उनको पैक कर लेते हैं. And he labored under the fixed belief. He labored under matlab worked under the fixed belief. This is Montmorency's fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reach out their hands for anything, जैसे ही Harris और George कुछ खाने लगते हैं, they are about to pick up anything, it was his cold damp nose that they wanted. कह रहे वो उसका गीला नोज है जो बीच में एक हिंड्रेंस बनकर आ जाता है, वो हाथ लगा लेता है. He put his leg into the jam. So the now dog's turn to create trouble. So उसने jam के अंदर अपनी टांग डाल दी, and he worried the teaspoons, and he pretended that the lemons were rats. And the dog pretended and he began to run after the lemons because the dog thought that they were rats, and got into the hamper and killed 3 of them. कह रहे और उसको हैम्पर को उसने पकड़ लिया और उसको लगा उसने 3 रैट्स मार दिए बिफोर हैरिस कुड हैंड हिम विद फ्राइंग पैन. कह रहा जब तक हैरिस उसको पकड़ नहीं पाया और उसको मारा नहीं. ओके, so what did he pretend? He pretended that the lemons were rats. And where did the dog put his leg? He here refers to Montmorency. Harris said, I encouraged him. I did not encourage him. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. हैरिस ने बोला कि मैं उसको एनकरेज करता हूँ, जॉर्ज उसको एनकरेज करता है. आई रेफर्स टू जॉर्ज. एंड मैंने जवाब दिया कि मैं उसको एनकरेज नहीं करता हूँ ऐसा कोई भी काम करने के लिए. उस जैसे डॉग को एनकरेजमेंट की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इट इज नेचुरल ओरिजिनल सिन. अंडरलाइन दिस. It is the natural original sin that is born in him that makes him do things like that. कह रहा है ये ओरिजिनल सिन मतलब रियल ऑफेंस है इसके अंदर. ये टेक्निकली ऐसा बना है that he does such things and troubles everyone. The packing was done at 12:50 and Harris sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. अब एट लास्ट जब वो हैम्पर पैक किया था हैरिस उसके ऊपर बैठ जाता है और वो होप करता है कि कुछ भी ना टूटा हो. जॉर्ज सेड दैट इफ एनीथिंग वाज ब्रोकन इट वाज ब्रोकन व्हिच रिफ्लेक्शन सीम्स टू कंफर्ट हिम. कह रहा जो टूट गया है वो टूट गया है. ये थॉट ही उसको कंफर्ट कर रहा था हैरिस को कि थैंकफुली थिंग्स विल बी जस्ट परफेक्ट. He also said he was ready for bed. कि अब वो सोने का टाइम हो गया है. Harris we were all ready for bed. We were all going to sleep. Harris was to sleep with us that night. Harris ने हमारे साथ सोना था and we went upstairs. और हम सब ऊपर चले गए. We tossed for beds. हम लोगों ने टॉस किया कि कौन बेड लेगा. And Harris had to sleep with me. And it was decided. Me here refers to Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Me here refers to who is me here? Harris had to sleep with me. Udvansh, who is me here? Udvansh,
Yes, ma'am.
who is me here? So they tossed. We tossed for beds and Harris had to sleep with me. He said, do you prefer the inside or outside? J means Jerome. कि inside दीवार की तरफ सोएगा कि बाहर की तरफ सोएगा. I said I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. Harris said it was odd. कह रहा है ये बड़ी अजीब बात है that he had to sleep inside the bed. Odd means strange. George said, what time shall I wake up fellows? कि मैं तुम लोगों को किस time उठाऊं? Do tell me. Harris said 7 o'clock. So it was decided that they all will get up at 7 o'clock. I said no, 6. लेकिन मैंने कहा नहीं, 6 o'clock उठेंगे. We will get up at 6 because I wanted to write some letters. Because who is I here refers to?
Ma'am, Jerome.
Yes. So he said I had to write letters, so we will get up at 6. Harris and I had a bit of a row over it. Row means argument. We had an argument over waking up time to decide the time for waking up, but at last split the difference. We got over the difference. We divided the disagreement and said 6:30 means we will neither get up at 7 nor at 6, but we will get up at 6:30. So they found the midway. Wake us at 6:30, George, we said. George made no answer, and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. कह रहा है जॉर्ज ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया और हमने रियलाइज किया कि वो तो कब से सो ही रहा है. So we placed the bath where he could tumble into it on getting out in the morning. कह रहा है और हमने उसके लिए पानी की बाल्टी उसके पास ही लगा दी जब हम so that as soon as he gets up, he jumps into the bucket and went to bed ourselves. And हम भी सोने चले गए. This is how we end up with the chapter. Udvansh, stop recording.